As the time passes by, more and more users are getting towards Linux OS and abandoning Windows. So here I present you some of the most important Linux commands that you will be using on command line interface. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, then like, comment and subscribe. So this is basically the Ubuntu command line. You can open it by pressing the buttons CTRL Super key plus T, or you can go to menu bar and just type out terminal. Okay, so for the details, I'm using Ubuntu 18.04. So first of all, we are going to learn to work with the files. The file management system in Linux is very efficient. You'll get to know why. The first command is ls command. So with the help of ls command, you can list all the files that are present in the current working directory, and by default when you open the terminal, you open it in home directory. So these are the files that are present in my home directory. Then we have a command ls-l, which lists all the files that are present in the working directory plus the details about them, that is when they were last modified, what is the size, and their name, their permissions, etc. And similarly there is a command ls-l and the name of any file, like we have VMware. So it shows the details about the this folder VMware, which has two different files, Colibre and Ubuntu 64-bit, and the separate details about both of them. Then there is a command clear, that is clear, which clears out the terminal screen. So it is very handy command. Then we have command cd, that is change directory. We can go backward and forward from the directories with this command cd. Like if you list the command ls command, we have the directories present in here, like music. We want to go into this music folder, we will type cd music. You have to be very specific about the smaller capital letters. So we are in music folder. Similarly there is a command pwd, which tells in which directory you are working. So I'm working in the directory that is home /deprov/music. Okay, and I want to come back to my previous directory. There is cd ... I came back. Now if I again list all the files, these are the files that are present. Okay, now if I want to go to downloads, okay, I'm clearing this out. We are going to downloads. Again you have to be right about the capital letters. Downloads, we are into the download folder. Now as you can see, these are the files and folders that are present in download folder. Then there is a command mv, that is move command. This is basically to move the files from one place to another. Like if I want to move this Colibre latest OS.7z, so I'll type Colibre and then this. Okay, then I want to move this file to compressed folder. Okay, so I'll type out compressed. Okay, press tab, and the file is now moved to compressed folder. As you can see, now there is no file as Colibri latest ISO 7Z. Okay, it is now in compressed folder. So if I go to that compressed folder and again type out ls, see there is a file Colibri latest ISO.7z. Okay, then there is also another use of this mv command. You can use this to rename any file also, like this vpnbook.open, that de4 val. Then we'll type mv vpn book open, then de4.zip, and we want to rename it to vpn.zip. Okay, so it is renamed. If we type ls, then as you can see it is renamed to vpn.zip. Then we'll clear it out. Then the next command is cp command, that is used to copy any file. Like if you want to copy vpn.zip to eclipse folder. Okay, so I'll type out cp vpn.zip and I will type eclipse. Okay, now it is copied. If I type out ls, you can see there is a vpn.zip file here also, and in eclipse also. cd eclipse ls c vpn.zip file. Now if I want to remove this file, I will type rm vpn.zip. okay, it's removed. ls, now you can see vpn.zip file is removed. Okay, then I would like to come back to my downloads folder. Okay, now if I want to make a directory, I would like to make a directory name demo video. Okay, so see there is a directory named demo video. I would go back into that directory, newly created one. We are into this and it is completely empty directory. I want to add some file to it, a blank file. So I'll write touch, then any file name like file.txt. Okay, and when I type out ls, you can see now there is a single file.txt. Okay, there is no content in file.txt, and if you want to get some text into that file.txt, you can use echo command, echo, and echo, like we want the text. This is a demo video. Okay, we'll type out these and file.txt. now it is done. lf, there is a file, that file.txt. if you want to go to that directory by GUI, we'll go to downloads and demo video file.txt. As you can see, this is our text that we inserted right now. Okay, then if you want to remove a directory, I would come back cd minus minus, and if I want to remove this directory demo video rm, and if I want to remove this demo video, it will not allow me to do so because it is saying demo video is a directory and I cannot remove a directory by this. What I can do is I can type this rm minus r, which shows recursive deletion, and type out demo video. And now if I type out ls, you can see demo video folder is gone. Okay, if you create a empty directory, like I'm creating again ion, like it's something like ion. Okay, see here ion is created, and if I want to remove this directory, that is any empty directory, I can type out rmdir and the name of directory, that is ion, and now it is gone. Okay, now this is basically what you'll ever need to work with files, which is more than sufficient according to me. Then there are some administrative commands like sudo. Sudo command is used to give administrative privileges to any command that is written after that. Like if I write sudo ls, now it is asking me for the password of my root user, so I'll type out password. One thing I'd like to mention is that Ubuntu does not allow the password to be shown because of security reasons, but anyhow we got ls command in that administrative privilege. Okay, now there is also a version of ls to show the hidden files, that is ls minus a. Here you can see the hidden files that are present there. ls, you can see 2 hidden files are there. Okay, so I was talking about that sudo command. Sudo is used to give administrative privileges to anything. Okay, you can also use su command, which is basically the same and depends on what distro you're using. Because I'm using Ubuntu, I might get authentication failure, but anyhow, then if you want to shut down your PC, there is a command shutdown, and which is followed by a number that will, like if it's 2, then it will show that after 2 minutes my PC will shut down, and actually I don't want to shut down it, so I'll type shutdown minus C, so it is cancelled. If I want to reboot it, it would be shutdown minus R and again a timer, so it will again reboot the system, but I don't want that too, so I'll type shutdown minus C. So if you press the up and down arrow keys, you will see that it will show the history of all the commands that you have been using in the present session. Okay, see, so it is also a very handy feature of Linux terminal. Then if you want to get help about any command, you can use man pages, that is manual pages. What it does is, like I'm showing you, you type out man and the name of any command, like like CAT. Okay, so it will show the manual page which is relevant for CAT. Okay, so CAT is used to concatenate file and print it on the standard output. Okay, fine. And you can also do this if you don't want manual pages. The name of command, then 2 dashes and help, so it will show the help of that command. Okay, I would clear this out. Okay, and now the last command is apt get apt-get. Okay, you have to type all the command in small letters. Apt-get. So this is one of the most important command on any Linux system, because apt is like basically the software management package, and it manages all the repositories packages that are present on my system. So these are some of the commands that are present in apt: update, upgrade, install, remove. So you must be using some of these commands if you are using Linux for some time. Like if I want to update my PC, okay, so I'll type out sudo apt-get update. It is showing error because I'm not connected to internet right now, but when you connect to internet all these things would work. Okay, and lastly there is a command exit, that is to exit the terminal, of course. So thanks for watching the video. If it's any helpful to you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.